Taaman niarliila alukkutikalluartuutaaqpaan teqatigispilliassan tikilluaratsi
Tiny Tina's Wonderlands.
Tina Masakkunnu taajuvoq panu pisoqassanersun nalunarpoq taamaaleriarluni
There is a world beyond the Borderlands. A world forged by wonder and ruled by fate. The battle between these powers has raged since the beginning. Evil and good. Villains and heroes. A vicious cycle, endlessly repeated. Wonder is the power of a cruel, unpredictable god. But fate, there's one alone who can wield fate. One alone whose story is in their own hands. The Fate Maker. That's you. Heavy, right? Fate Maker. Big responsibility. Honestly, I wouldn't even blame you if you just laid down in a puddle and gave up. But if not, if you try and prove yourself as Fate Maker, then heed the warning I give all heroes. Together you fight. Together you shall fall.
Ha! Critical hit! The undead fall beneath our blade! Ah!
Oh yeah! Same! It's going real good over here, blade-wise. We're coming for you, Dragon Lord!
Fools! Your party of heroes can't stop me. Already Wow, you guys got here fast.
Like you said, we're the heroes. I am Valentine, gallant adventurer. The scary, stabby one is Fred.
What about that one?
That's the newbie. It's their first adventure.
Oh, come on. Their figure isn't even fully painted.
Enough talk. We're here to stop you from taking the soul energy.
Fools! I've already absorbed all of the soul energy. I'm invincible!
Oh, man. Sorry, newbie. We missed the soul energy.
Castles will burn. Babies will cry. More than usual. My skeleton armies will wash over the lands.
Looking bad. How do we win this?
We attack! Together!
Pathetic. Especially you, newbie. They don't make heroes like they used to. Time to die!
But then, just as the heroes lose hope, they hear
A neigh?
yeah, and also like, you know, like a sparkly rainbow, which goes like quickle caw caw caw. It is Queen Buttstallion, the most beautiful and perfectest ruler in all the land.
Hold on, what game are we playing here?
We're playing Bunkers and Badasses, baby! And I, Tiny Tina, am the Bunker Master. So what I say goes! And I say there's a magical diamond buying a corn named Buttstallion who saves the day!
Oh, I was kind of hoping we would save the day.
You will, Valley Girl. I just gotta set the stakes. Now, let's table talk. Cue Dragon Lord!
But, Stallion, you may be the most beautifulest, perfectest ruler in all the land, but this time, I've won.
But Buttstallion was wielding the coolest sword in the whole world. The Sword of Sword.
Oh, would you? I just made those skeletons. No! No! I curse you, Valentine! I curse you, Fret! And most of all, I curse you, newbie! Whatever your name is, I will return and finally rid this world of heroes!
And with that, the Dragon Lord was defeated. For now. Exposition complete! Who's ready to rickety roleplay?
Yeah, might as well. We're stranded here after that mountain totally jumped out at our ship.
Yeah, he crashed it. I'm in. I love bunkers and badasses. I've already got a level 40 character.
No. We are making all new characters. This is the newbie's first game, and I'm gonna make sure it's an adventure they'll never forget.
You ready, newbie?
Time for character sheets, baby!
Newbie. Una kaksabi ka ng newbie yung nga wala na kasakasyon na niko wag katama na so na tiyaningin nakto ah. Magic hand. Whisper. Hammer. Whisper. Nó trộn hòn nốt rồi. New guy. Alright. Udah kiri po nga waman. Wah yun na biyak. Ay hindi ko siya biyak na ni. Siko damat so yung nek. Siko siya yung nako. Namili series. Ay ko tingin yung box.
Time's up! Okay, Valentine, you've just drawn your own face over the character sheet?
It said draw your hero, and I'm my own hero.
Okay. And Fret, it says your starter sword does murder 1,000 damage?
My bad, I left off a 0.
Okay, no plan! Fred and Valentine can't be trusted with pencils, let alone dice. So it is up to you, newbie. You are the Fate Maker. And these fools shall be thine advisors, I guess.
Fine. I advise that you better be a badass. We're here to slay evil and get gold.
I know you see me as a role model. Follow my lead and you'll be a great Fate Maker.
All right, one last thing. Bunkers and Badasses is a role-playing game, baby. That means you do not break character voice. Kapiski? Break me off a piece of that.
I'm looking to find some coin. If I happen to save the world while I'm at it, so be it.
Tasty. Now, prepare to enter a world of fantasy.
I don't see anything.
You gotta imagine it, knucklehead.
Just close your eyes and wonder. You have arrived in the Snoring Valley, an unassuming and peaceful corner of the Queen that harbors a dark secret. Dun, dun, dun. You journeyed far to be here, heeding the call of the Queen herself.
The Queen herself! What could she want of us?
She fears the Dragon Lord will soon reawaken. You must find his tomb and prevent his resurrection.
What I'm hearing is, we get to whoop his ass.
Here's a little cheat sheet to track your health and map and stuff.
Okay, nalinda sa mga accessories, pili. 다방어. 똑같은 거가 버스들라고 약쳐진기라 기였니. 스빌리아시 다마ting accessory. Câu nào sao sẽ có nghịch đó. Đây là sao sẽ cao sức. Ô gạc ba. Ô gạc ba.
Damn bridge road.
recognize one of the Queen's waystones. It seems to call to you. The Queen's magic enters you through the stone, granting you the power of... Aura! You now have magical sight and hearing, baby.
Queen Butt Stallion! She's guiding us on our quest!
Sure enough, baby. A trail of spectral hoofprints leads off into the woods.
빠빠라빠빠 Queen Star baby. Tawas pilih asak sebenisa tatungan yang
A
sejenisnya.
fallen tree bars your path. What you gonna do about it, huh?
I cast identify tree.
It's a species called Jumpus tutorialis, and weirdly, it only grows in this one valley.
Yeah, awesome. Hello. Panza.
Ahead, the glint of edge steel beckons you forward. Some hot lumberjane has left her axe in a stump.
Nice piece of steel, that.
Love a good axe. Great for cleaving, hacking, even a good old-fashioned chop.
A cave mouse sits covered over nearby. If only you could get in. Though the magical hoofprints continue through the cave, the rocky ceiling dips low to the ground.
A true fate maker knows when to stand tall and when to crouch.
Wow.
Now's the time I was talking about. It's crap.
Yeah, work them sweet glutes. And if you get a running start and crouch, you'll slide around like a cool action hero.
좀 매운 게 선배가로 그래서 지금 뭐 스카이키고 아쉬우기야 가는 비도 봤어 나 뻐가시
Another waystone guides your path, but reaching it will mean going through a pack of nasty, pinchy crabs.
Yeah, combat. Kill them all.
Ah, pinchy! They're so pinchy!
You turned away.
You have defeated the crabs! Luckily, they were carrying their life savings for some reason. All yours now.
anong
I
gadaga
think we killed everything down here. Climb up there and follow the hoof prints.
asa sedang di sana papasok pa kan sigue susah sekutang niko nga sekutang sang
What's this? Shrine?
That's right. The Queen has ruled the Wonderlands since I was but a humble player, like you, Bing Bongs. She has foreseen your arrival and left a powerful weapon for you. The weapon of a fate maker.
pistol
This thing's off rust, but it'll still put holes in someone.
Wait, there's guns in fantasy?
You're in Tina's fantasy, baby! Suddenly, the shrine floor rises beneath you. From here, you can spy a quaint little village nestled in the bodacious bosom of the valley. But beyond it, a dark and ancient castle lurks... lurkingly.
But the Dragon Lord is here. He'll be in that castle.
spilli no taxi bye inodiyang dia po nakakama
You will never reach the Dark
Skeleton ambush!
Go break some bones, fate maker.
Worms won't go hungry tonight.
I know right first time bye bye bye
They might reach the Dark Master. I gotta book it.
Yeah. Whatever he's talking about. There's a loot chest up on that tower. Get them loots.
I am Ribula, faithful servant of the Dragon Lord. Tell me where his tomb is, or I'll make you a skeleton too.
I don't know. I swear it on the Queen's diamond tail.
Lies! You are soaked in skeletons. Spread out, my undead hordes. We must find the master.
Limited. Okay. Nammeni lokkangassara loksus. Ona misilitak aktonga sat nagatnat to mapper. There we wo do daddy.
Ooh, you found a ward. That's like a magical shield above your health. Pretty sweet.
Yes. Magical shield. Yes, please. No, actually, I'm trashing object takpan. Trash. Sorry. Okay, bye-bye.
Uh-oh, a rock slide bars your way to the village.
We're ruined! All is lost!
Very heroic. Tina, can we blow up the rocks?
Sorry, it's impossible. Without explosives!
Victory! I'd never lost hope.
Ahead, you hear the roar of raging fire and the clackety-clackety of bones!
We're here to save the village!
Ow. So please.
Ooh, the village is already ransacked and crawling with skilly men.
We're here to avenge the village!
Bad luck or bad choices. Dead all the same. So that's the way it's gonna be, eh?
Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
Before my eyes.
Bye. Bye-bye. Dava. Sensitivity sukka sakpuan. Sensitivity kontrolli lokki tap. Amat. Masuk kawasak.
An extra powerful skeleton arises! Amaris!
Bound with you. Lay the disgusting flesh off the bones.
Level up.
Good. More skills means higher prices.
A single villager remains alive in the carnage. But she looks bad, baby. She looks like she's about to die.
Might as well save her peasant ass.
Hello.
Come on, Garafax. You're a powerful wizard who has seen 20 sides of the world. You floated like a leaf upon the Wibblestone winds. You spoke the banishing words at Holgren's Pass. Just because you've retired to this anonymous village doesn't mean you've lost your magic. If you can just master this ice spell again, maybe the rest will come back too.
Appi. Oletteko näkää?
Oh, that's one lucky die.
No damage. Pistolimme. Kuningin na kaya siyang arwakpo. Ha? Tama. Masakak pa. Masaning. Rikak po ngayon ha. So.
Thank you for saving my peasant ass, stranger. How can I ever repay you?
Free of charge. I'm looking for the Dragon Lord.
You're a fate maker. I knew the Queen would send us a hero. The tomb is in the crypt below Castle Herofast. You must hurry before his minions find it.
The tomb is inside a crypt. The perfect hiding place.
May the Queen's favor see your noble quest through.
Oh, yeah.
My peasant ass is killing me.
Rest.
The ruins of Castle Herofast are just out yonder. Which is fantasy for saying. It's over there, baby.
I sense the Dragon Lord's presence. His tomb is somewhere beneath these ruins. Find him, fellow skeletons!
Wait. I thought we already beat the Dragon Lord.
What? That was forever ago. He's a necromancer. It's hard to legit kill him. After you guys went bony toe to toe, Queen Butt Stallion locked his butt away in a dusty tomb for a few 100 years.
Oof, he's gonna be a cranky boy.
What have we here?
Emsen tieturahtokoisu saakko. Pisturi pajuisa syymään johtaa
Never send a corpse to do a killer's job.
Headshot. Headshot. Every time. Da 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 dee dee. Hello, zombie.
Collection.
Hello, get that body.
Castle Herofast is a crumbly, tumbly ruin. No one is left to walk these halls. No one living.
So, skeleton.
Oh, yes, boy. You're picking up.
No, what does it? Masani yung ito asa sini sa kokto na oso ni. I heard you.
Ooh, what's that scrawled upon yonder parchment? Verily, it's a poem. Surely the author would be glad to see its safe return.
Embers in the hearth, coats laid at the door, wine set for the guests. Pour, pour.
There's more poem where that came from. Just talk to the poet in the Bright Hoof Tavern.
Check da 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 da.
When you got more than one gun, you can switch between them. Keeps combat spicy, like jambalaya.
So, Tina, maybe after this quest, I could be the bunker master. I've been working on a campaign. It's got orcs and kissing.
No. Tina don't play no more, okay? But it's all good. I got megatons of questicles simmering up in my brain sauce, baby.
And some medias. Bye. Use it. Some reason. And
We've got a live one!
Was wondering when more you would turn up.
ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Give it shot, work.
Sieltä pakpaamis pillä taarakseni on narunakka. Masa ko sa nakuwanaksin ng ngong ko. No secrets. Sa susungan. Keempat, history namat, dawa. Sigurd kinukuha tamat kang liyak sa si maso spilli na tuwa ka sa amin at saksup sa pasyon niya ako. Mấy không hồn đi tăng nó có ngồi xin mình nó đá mi.
Her bones clutching a dusty spell book as though awaiting a destiny that never came.
Well, this place is super grim. I love it! Grab that spell book!
Great book.
Magic, that's the stuff.
With the spell book equipped, you can cast the frost spells contained within.
Magic!
Ice Magic is extra strong against the undead. They got none of that greasy flesh to keep them warm.
Now, how do we get into the tomb crypt? There's gotta be an entrance around here somewhere.
Magic! Just a moment. 3, 2.
The floorboards of the throne hall seem rotten and brittle.
Spell burst!
Mà nó cay ra sữa hả? Wisdom!
The bone-dry air of the crypt whips past you as you hurtle down into the depths beneath the castle. It smells of old stone and older secrets.
Hello.
Being a duchess sucks. My servants suck. And prophecies? I spit upon prophecies. Tuh. That was me spitting. Because they suck. For 6 generations, my family has clung to this stupid prophecy The Harrows must guard over these lands, lest a great evil rise again. Well, guess what? These lands suck. I'm getting out of here. One last meal, and I'm moving to the capital. Food's not bad, though. Guards! Fetch my poison tester. Tell him he sucks.
Du sucks. Drop. Drop the karami song niya
I
ako.
hear a rumble and a booming laugh that seems to come from all around you.
Get stuffed, Ghost.
I found it! A tomb inside of a crypt! The perfect hiding place! I am coming, my Dark Master!
He's gonna resurrect the Dragon Lord. That's the exact opposite of what we want. We gotta get in there.
It'll be over before you can regret it.
Headshot, headshot, headshot. Sakong cái đó đánh á.
The waystone glows. You feel its magic within your chest, within your mind, within your soul. It asks a question. Who are you?
I'm Batman.
I am a fate maker.
You answered smartly, baby! The carven door to the Dragon Lord's tomb crumbles!
The resurrection ritual has begun!
Osima maske ko na siya. Maske ko na tagkupok.
Boss fight! I got a special figurine for this guy. 1 second. Rising before you is one of the Dragon Lord's most loyal undead soldiers. It's Rivula! Roll for initiative!
Tremble before Ribula!
I'm not trembling. I'm trembling.
Kick his ass, Louie.
Ain't nothing.
That's the naked skin of friends.
Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Hey! Yep. Ouch. Ganda siniyak na lang, miss.
Your boy's not looking up to the task, Dragon Lord.
There's still time! You can seal the Dragon Lord away before he escapes! Son! The Dragon Lord is free, suckers!
Dragon Lord, let's do this.
That's good. Yeah, not happening. Come on, the Fate Maker never beats the villain in the first quest. Still, you're stronger than the ones she sent before. I wonder. We'll meet again, Fate Maker. But for now, I have to go pay an old shiny friend a visit. See you around the neighborhood.
Damn it, he got away? We gotta track him down. I want that big bad boss kind of loot.
Asshole. So, tingin na kayo.
The Fatemaker's journey begins as so many do, with a heart full of fire and dreams of dragons and magic. It will end only one way, with the ultimate defeat of all evil.
Despite your heroic efforts, the Dragon Lord has escaped!
Wait a minute. Did you hear what he said? Shiny? Friend? Neighborhood? I know where he's headed. He's after Queen Butt Stallion!
To warn Queen Butt Stallion of the Dragon Lord's escape, you must travel far across the Wonderlands to the capital city of Brighthoof.
Aha! Ano na?
I'm getting the hang of this killing business.
Sun Vision. Challenge nga kanya, Melo. 주사. Exit. Anong matapisok ka sa siyuan? Nakabindi siya!
I built you guys this big overworld on the table. Just move your miniature wherever you want to go on it.
Nice detailing on the landscape. Feels like there's a whole world just waiting for us to kill and loot it.
That's right! Welcome to my Wonderlands!
Ooh, I like this. B Sun Vision not.
Uh-oh, the road to Brighthoof is blocked. Guess you'll have to go through that tall grass.
Thank you. I need the money.
A battle jumps out at you! Random encounter! Ha!
Value everything in that purse, I'll murder you.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
Another notch, not a coin to shoot.
This sword is awesome!
조심하시오,건너가.
Use my skull in that play about the white!
Headshot, motherfucker. Trash.อะไร this? Screw this.
I put shortcuts around the overworld to help you get around. All you gotta do is punch it.
What the? What the?
You're feeling luckier, Mamacita.
Dava, kano piso ka sa suwayasit? What the? What the?
Cut that! There's all sorts of goodies and dungeons hidden behind things you can punch. Oh, man, this is the best. I am so glad that you guys are here to play games and be friends. It's just been me in this cave with the bunbos and like a mountain of marshmallow cereal for like ever.
Ah, Tina, have you been lonely?
What? No! You're lonely! I got friends! I got tons of friends! Look at all these hottie bun babes! This one, his name is Dimitri Papadopoulos, and these are his cousins from out of state!
And why are they ticking?
I'm so glad you asked because they are also bombs.
Great! Nice to meet you, Dimitri.
What's that? Who are you? Are you behind me right now? Hey! You want to get rich? This shrine behind my well-protected and notably unstabbed back is for some old god that's fallen out of fashion. I figure if we get all the pieces back together, they reward us real nice. With gold! I already found a piece myself, and I know where another one is. You get that for me, we can split the reward. I'll be here watching your back. Your defenseless, stabbable back. And if anyone comes at you from the front like a moron, just give him a slap. It's the stab of the open palm. Never know who might give you the old back-acupuncture. It's always the last person you expect. Well, the proverbial you, not you personally. I'm sure your back is fine.
The ruins of a shrine dot the landscape, though its builders are long forgotten and its magic crystals scattered. Perhaps who or whatever it exalts would reward you for restoring it to its former glory. This shrine is dedicated to Mul-Ah, the patron god of cash money.
No, Tuna. Sun Raisin, Sunana.
I'd give it all.
Dava. Ano Tuna? Kabum.
All that rubbish died nicely, though.
Thank you. Oh, ayo. Okay, bye-bye. Crazy.
My brittle bones!
Wizard!
Inexorable!
You'll never win, hero! You don't stand a
신지지대윈내신저마가시와 맛이 건는 박다스 강너 자수중아 시역건는 뭐 박다스 끝나간 야, 오늘 시역건 내일. 에이.
Oh, what? Look, girl, there's Chris! You could totally thwack that thing over and cross it! Dang! You have permanently opened a new route through the Wonderlands! Look at you, baby!
야, 야우나는서나?
Used by a magical crystal belonging to a broken shrine somewhere in the Wonderlands. Hey, one shrine piece coming out piping hot!
넵, 나숙공나벽 살았슈가. 야바, 참지 않은 깍부신 게작. 그 나간. 시단 나밍하지 가요? 미신이 약도가 쓰러워 미.
That dungeon over there mayhaps contains a shrine piece.
미신이 약배 미가 증인 낙바가.
You made it! Now get in there and clear the place out, even if it brings you to the brink of death, leaving you totally vulnerable.
빠빠빠빠빠 아우. Benbow!
Hope you're carrying coin. Don't kill coin. Energy sucked.
About here.
Might have lived if you'd run.
Magic! There goes.
Born unto battle. You hero. You'll never win, hero.
Pistolü mü yap?
Disgusting flesh right off those bones.
No, no, no.
I'm a talking skeleton. Scary, so scared. My brittle bones.
Benbow!
The end draws near.
Okay.
You eating bag? Well, that's going for you.
Am I dying again? If I die, if I live again. A hero around here.
Tapos tatatok ka room.
You're still alive, huh? Just better grab that shrine piece. Saves me a trip.
Shrine piece. Shrine piece. Shrine piece!
So, this guy's totally gonna try and kill us, right?
Totally.
Girls say what?
His name is literally Backstab.
That's probably just a coincidence.
ได้เป็นออกตกซานมักส่งออกซึ่งก็รอได้เป็นนักสักขนาดไหนก็จะก็ว่างั้นตกข้างก็ What?
Her coruscating majesty, Queen Butstep, has long protected the Wonderlands with the soul magic she imbues into the land itself. But such a precious role requires guarding as well, as proven by the terrible events at Dragon Keep. And so, the Queen founded a new walled city from which to oversee her realm. Brighthoof, the seat of the Adamant Throne.
Akipo.
Mool-Ah would surely grant you fabuloso wealth if you completed her shrine.
Huh. Didn't see that coming.
Maybe he stabbed himself?
Mysteries like these course in rivers throughout the universe. Anyhoozle, once the shrine is complete, you get the reward all to yourself.
Mool-Ah,
the patron god of page money, smiles upon your pockets and kisses.
Ash, damag to. Sokak na nare-pura pisniak na kasi so. Nare-hindi sokasang gila kasi Wano.
I've got all the magic I need.
Psst, newbie. Don't worry, those jerks at the table can't hear me. It's just us down here. Hey, I know I'm the villain, but I still just wanted to wish you luck on the whole quest thing. Not that you need luck, right? I mean, you're the fate maker.
Ash, narawa successin na. Ayaw ko pisniyak.
It's dangerous out.
Diba? So, naksarak po. Kung na sinasnak po sinaksak sa system na si Bye. Bye-bye.